Watch that one.
Right? I mean, I can't believe they flipped the thing.
Can you zoom?
I just did.
That's as far as it'll go?
Yeah. Pounder to the rescue, for God's sake.
Yeah, two people just, or one person just flipped their jet ski.
Yeah. Hey, I think I got it up.
Is there?
Yeah, I think I got it.
There's like 3 people going to see them.
Oh my God, yeah.
Look at 'em.
3 freaking
There's a canoe.
kayak,
Two.
kayak, and 2 pontoons.
Yeah. Oh.
What was that? Seriously, Uncle Scott?
Come on.
Can't be doing that.
Did you see the rock?
Yeah.
Gee, that canoe isn't that.
Kayak.
That kayak isn't gonna make it there in time.
Stop it! Holy crap! Are those our rocks that we're gonna slug that coon with?
I think he stepped in the pool.